Explorers, welcome back to the treehouse. We've been learning a lot about big feelings.
Like feeling mad, sad, or frustrated.
And how to stop, think, and make a good choice.
Today, we're going to make something special to help us remember those choices.
A peace flower.
You can make your flower with paper, crayons, and anything you like.
Each petal will remind you of a peaceful choice you can make. One petal can say, take a deep breath.
Another can say, use kind words.
You could add, take turns.
Or ask for help.
And maybe walk away and calm down.
In the middle, write something powerful.
I choose peace. Sometimes we feel really big feelings.
And that's okay.
But we can always pause.
Think.
And choose a peaceful way.
Let's try it together.
Breathe in slowly.
And out.
You can keep your peace flower somewhere special.
So when you have a hard moment,
It can remind you what to do.
you can always choose peace.
And we believe in you.
See you next time, explorers!